let's start with the first one, which you asked about the term Mashiach, which is nothing to do with Messiah.
Right.
Okay. Mashiach has to do with, as we know, it's a state. So there is a difference, of course, because we have three states within creation. We have the state of what was, as it was created by, let's say, as a thought and a reality at the same time by the Creator. So we call it stage one. Okay, so it has a perfection. Then there is stage two, in which it's which we found the shattering, which is a preparation, and then we have a third state, which has to do with allowing us actually to evolve into the first state. But so you're saying, so why aren't we speaking about first and second? Why we speak about third? Why we create this triangle? First triangle is the first form of reality. Okay, and it suggests that there is a difference between state one and state three, and the difference is human awareness or consciousness. Because in stage one, there is no human consciousness active participation. Okay, so you can say that in stage three we have an additional light. The additional light is the light of human consciousness. This ties more to Messiah, which is Mashiach. Okay, it ties to everything that has been offered to us to be able to collect as light in order to reform Malchut herself, to be partners to the reformation of Malchut herself, which we are sort of coming out. She's the root of ourself. She's the root of our nature and our purpose. Okay, so it starts, as we know, that the idea of Messiah starts only after darkness, and we see it from the beginning. When there is, after there is Tov V'Vo, which is Tzimtzum Aleph, there is a new process that actually we are sort of the whole creation, and definitely Malchut, is being sort of coded with the ascending of the light, meaning that there is no light in it. So there is darkness upon the abyss, you can say. Then, with this consciousness, we say, and then there is, well, it's not the spirit, it's actually the pneuma of God is hovering over the water. Yeah, this is actually refers to Mashiach. רוח אלוהים מרחפת על פני המים is let's say the pneuma, or the Holy Ghost, or the ghost of Mashiach. Why? Because it's after Tzimtzum Bet, which is sort of a cooperation. It's sort of bringing together, yeah, sharing the quality of Bina with Malchut.
Is that
so
what
actually it's a
by the
process
net?
of, just a minute, it's just a process of reformation. Only through the process of reformation, which there is I would say, a partnership with the higher, what will be born out of it is Mashiach, meaning gathering the light in order to actually reform Malchut. So this is where it's been sort of prophesied within the thought of what it means good for the createes, how the Creator thought that good, meaning bestowal, would be possible for will to receive to oneself, to the process of partnership with Bina, meaning from the process of a gradual reforming and gathering the light that will be able, at the end, to be the light of Mashiach. And then everyone will be partners to it. So this is where it was born. So our reading of it as a person has nothing to do with the reality of it. It's what we were reading in Zohar about the coming of the Messiah. This is the article, the coming of the Messiah. It's the coming of actually the war of consciousness, of human consciousness, how they will be able to evolve into recognizing the purpose of the Creator. Okay? So this is where we are. So Shmot, as the beginning of this rising consciousness in humanity, and rising, sorting out the language, sorting out the purpose, sorting out even the ability to understand